So in this video, I believe we're going to be trying to fix the problem on Mason's 335. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw that I put up a story a couple days ago asking if anyone could help with what was going on with it. Pretty much it was just not building any boost at all, and we couldn't really figure out the problem. But we checked the charge pipe and all that common sense type shit. So today we're going to be replacing the boost solenoids, and hopefully that'll solve the problem. I don't know when this video is going to come out. I believe the skit is going to come out before this. As of right now, I haven't uploaded a video in like 9 days. I know I've been slacking. I've been really working on some like behind the scenes shit on the website. I've been trying to get a bunch of more stuff on the site that should be up by next week. I'm actually going to Florida with my family tomorrow. I'm filming this on Friday, so we're going tomorrow. We're going from Saturday to Saturday, so I'll be gone that whole week. So I've really been lazy as far as car parts. So I got the bags here, the bags that everyone keeps asking me about. I still have them. I know I've been a piece of shit, and I keep saying I'm gonna get them done, and then I don't get them done. Promise, as soon as I get back from Florida the following weekend, I'm gonna try to put them in. And ARM was nice enough to send me out free relocation inlet set. So shout out ARM. They actually sent this out to me to make a full video on, so you guys are gonna see that whenever I get back from Florida. I'm gonna install that. Hopefully after this we can go film a POV drive, but we'll see what happens. As you guys probably saw my story like a week ago, Mason blew his M54 up already. So if you live in the Maryland area, hit him up. He needs a new car. He went ahead and bought new boost solenoids. All right, so we're ready to go take it on a test rip, see if we fix the problem. Because she was giving us 30 FF codes. She was NA for like a week. And the wastegates were wide open, so this shit was like AK-47 tune. Prayer real quick.
God, come on.
God, come
Amen.
on. Amen.
It'll, just wait. Just wait. Give it like 30 seconds. That's just,
it's just normal, it's just an N54.
See? Told you.
Clear it up, clear it up. You heard that?
You stay It worked! Y'all are smart.
Wait, nah, it did it really?
Yeah.
Your cabin, it made that. God. No way it worked. Let me see.
No, it's
bro, wastegates sound wide open. Or maybe I'm tripping.
I lied.
Yeah, big lie. We only got 6 pounds.
Alright, send me y'all's Hattie. I got something to tell y'all.
He's got it right on for you. Yeah, we're only getting 6.3.
That's a little bit
We're supposed to be seeing like 20. The whole week he's been betting money it's the blowoff valve, and I've been betting money it's not, so.
It might be it.
It might be it.
Oh, it might?
I don't know what else. I don't know what else the f it would be.
Probably not smart.
Probably not smart at all. He just hit the curb.
This is our turn.
It might be a blowoff valve because it sounds like it's open when he's just hitting it.
But he said it wasn't.
I've been saying it wasn't. They said my credit card had debt. Better get a call back. They're calling again. Hello?
Yes, sir. I was saying hello, but you didn't answer me.
Oh, yeah, I'm here now.
Right, this is Brandon from Dead Elimination Department.
Hello, Brandon. How are you?
Doing today?
Fantastic.
Doing great.
That's awesome.
Sounds great, sir. I believe that you are responding to eliminate your credit card balance. Is that correct?
Correct. I spent it all on my car, so I need to get that shit eliminated. Well, it's an N54, so like 52 grand-ish. My motor blew a couple times.
We can apply the services for you.
Wait, hold on. Hold on, wait.
Card?
1 second. Is my parents gonna be able to see this because I buy a lot of porn subscriptions?
Porn transaction?
Yeah, porn transactions. I do a lot of those.
Who watch?
Yeah.
Who watch porns?
Yep.
Why are you kidding with me?
Who's?
You're a dumb motherfucker.
You are.
No, you're a bitch made motherfucker. What's up? Send me that address, bitch.
You are.
You are what?
You are motherfucker.
Hey, FaceTime.
You do this for a living. Oh.
So right now we're trying to swap blow-off valves, but I got a great call from my boy Brandon. Y'all saw the number, so just go call him. All right, I might be officially convinced. Here's his blow-off valve. No, here's mine. Ready? No shakiness. And then here's his. I told you the whole time it was blow-off valve.
I think we did bet your N54 on
Dude, we definitely betted something on it. Alright, so I'm not running a blow-off valve right now. We're gonna see if the blow-off valve was the problem. You wanna just rev it real quick and see if it changes? I was just gonna drive it.
God, it's me again.
God, what's up? Back at it. Look, he's stealing parts off me. Now my car's down in the dumps.
Okay.
Hold the thing. Don't be giving me the fake look that it's working again, because last time you gave me that dumb shit, it was still making 6 pounds. It's not the problem.
Dude, what the fuck is the problem? Hold on, steer.
Steer. Dog. Don't hit it with your leg, because you're about to. Alright, get back in. Get back in. You're gonna hit this shit with your leg. Alright, what was it?
I don't know. Hold on.
Here, pop your hood, do the same thing, I'll steer. Alright, let me tell you what the problem was the whole time. You didn't have the engine cover on.
Shut the f up.
One guy said it was the cabin air filters. So we're flashing it back to stage 0 to see if it makes a difference. And he didn't put it in airplane mode, so you better hope nobody calls him. So we flashed it back to stage 0, and now when he puts it in reverse, listen.
I'm not doing it again.
You do it one more time. Oh my god. So I think we're gonna take off XHP. Alright. No XHP2. Hey! Alright, we're looking for like 8-9 pounds right here.
Definitely not getting that.
Alright, I'm calling her now. She's gonna get absolutely livid.
She took out her camera.
Did she? You reached 2.7 pounds of boost. Hello! It's still not wanting to go over.
I gotta check into whatever the fuck that is.
It's running like dog shit. If anyone has index 12s for under $600, hit us up.
This thing sucks!
Mint!
You told me to get this car.
I did.
You smell that?
Oh!
It smells like an N54. You know what that smells like?
We all do.
5W30.
Alright, we're on to the next of probably a million possibilities of what the problem is. When we first looked, we knew that the intercooler piping was fine, like up top. But I think we're gonna pull the belly pan off and just make sure that it's still all connected down below, which I really hope it's honestly not. So that way it's just a super easy fix. Yeah, we lied to everybody on my Instagram story. The intercooler piping was definitely, oh my god, what did you hit? Vented front bumper now.
Oh, dude, that was there.
Yeah, alright. Yeah. But that thing is wide open. You can see it's all leaking right through here. Because this isn't on there all the way. So we're going to get that on there all the way. Because you didn't put it on there all the way.
You did this side. I did the other side.
We're going to have to rewatch the video. I can't remember who. Comment who did that side.
The more I think about it, yeah.
Yeah. The more I think about it, it was a blow-off valve the whole time.
Okay, you thought it was vacuum lines. F off. God, hear me out on this one.
Amen.
May this be the one. Amen.
Fingers crossed here, boys. Golden hour. Hey, she's back, baby!
It fucking blew it again.
Did it really? Is that what that noise was? Oh, it did. It hit 16 and then fell off. Good thing we didn't put the belly pan on, what I tell you.
Alright, this motherfucker, right? He said, oh, let's just put the belly pan. I said, we probably shouldn't. We should just test it out. Now look at us.
Yeah, bitch blew. But that's hard though. So it hit 16 and then it blew off. That's crazy. If that tube is off, the wastegates are just stuck open. If you want a free tune for backfiring, just take your intercooler off. I think this one's it. I actually do. Because we got that bitch on there tight. This is our daily reminder. If you have NX 12s for sale, let us know. We need them. You need them. I need a blow-off valve because he sold it for me. He did. God damn, Oh, money's flying everywhere.
We're rich.
We're rich. How's my blowoff valve sound?
Sounds great, actually.
Oh my God, bro. Jesus Christ, dog. It's pulling like a train right now. He ain't got all the power back, don't know how to control himself. Dude, if you have an M3.
Yeah, I don't know what to do.
Yeah, take me home safely. Oh my God, dog. For sure these. They're all gonna think it's me. Cause I used to work there. Why does your wiper come up like an inch?
I don't know who put that on.
I know it wasn't me. Insane. Oh God, there's people with dogs. So she's back and running. Good. He still definitely needs index 12s because it runs super choppy at like low RPM. Once he gets index 12s, he'll be running straight. He literally has my blowoff out right now. Right now, mine's taped off. You know, he only had the car for 2 weeks. And that bitch is already broke. Was broke.
I'm the same motherfucker in a bird, Georgia chains, my